Hey, wanna be friends? No. Why doesn't anyone like me? Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Lifeline. My name is Alex and this channel is designed to inspire you to let your future expand and to find success. Today we are going over 5 simple tips and 5 simple things that you can do to instantly become more likable. Because let's be honest, who doesn't want to be liked more? And these tips come from anecdotal experience, so there are certainly more things you can do, but these should get you off to a great start. I mean, just look how likable I am. Number 1, listen deeply and attentively. This means that you must show a genuine interest in what the other person is saying. Think about it. How many times have you been listening to someone for only 10 seconds just to realize that you have no idea what they said? Yeah, cut that out. And if you're really having a problem listening deeply to what the other person is saying, then just focus on cutting out distraction. This means that you don't pull out your phone while the other person is talking, don't look around the room, don't play with your hair, and don't think about how hot that one person is on Instagram that you just saw. Number 2, talk about them and their interests. Okay, this is something that I think a lot of us struggle with because we're just so goddamn important that everything should be about us. The quickest way to make someone like you is to make them feel important in your presence. And the quickest way to make them feel important in your presence is to talk about them. Just stop being so selfish. Number 3, smile. Yeah, this one's pretty self-explanatory, but basically people like other people who are happy because then this happiness rubs off on them. And one of the best ways to show that you are a happy person is to smile. Just keep in mind that we all have a little bit of resting bitch face. So put some conscious effort into making yourself smile a little bit more often because chances are your face looks a bit more serious and sad than you actually feel. Number 4, maintain strong eye contact. At least in America, we really like to see other people's eyes. Eye contact is generally seen as a sign of confidence and trustworthiness, while a lack of eye contact begs the question, what is he up to? If you're having trouble holding strong eye contact, then you just need to practice. Cashiers and family members are usually a good place to start. Number 5, stop complaining. You know those people who are just emotional drains? These are the people that make you groan inside a little bit when you hear that they were invited to the party. Well, you probably feel that way because they are chronic complainers and negative sources of emotions and negative energy. In other words, they probably have a lot of baggage. And instead of handling that baggage like an adult, they dump it on everyone else. And this is simply not who you want to be. So if you yourself are a chronic complainer, then one thing you can do to help this is to write down all of your complaints on a piece of paper. Write them all down, get them all out, and then lock that piece of paper in a drawer. And while that piece of paper is in the drawer, you are not allowed to complain about anything that is on that paper. And when you're in the presence of a trusted confidant or someone that you can vent to, then take that piece of paper out of the drawer and let it rip. But for the love of God, when it is inside the drawer, keep your mouth shut. And as another fun exercise, you can count the number of times you complain each day, and then the next day, try to cut that number in half. And boom, all of a sudden, everyone likes you and wants to be your friend. Oh, and bonus point number 6, I almost totally forgot about this. The number 6 bonus point that will make people like you is if you share this video with them, because they'll be so grateful that they'll instantly want to marry you. And there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Those are 5 simple ways, well, 6 simple ways to make people like you more. And if you're looking for a way to track your progress during this journey, then head on over to lifeline.coach because there I have created a nice long-term goals habit tracker. And this tracker allows you to convert your long, broad goals into trackable data so that you can achieve them over the long term. In the meantime, hit that subscribe button. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you next video. I swear to God, sometimes I disgust myself with how cheesy I am.